Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody just sent me a pretty good question on email. They asked me why I don't have a smart fill key for this, why I don't have a hotkey for the smart fill tool. I do. Mine is F. But if I use that during a video, you wouldn't be able to see it. I could tell you, but you might not understand it. So I always go here and grab the smart fill tool. And sometimes the interactive fill tool is open, sometimes the smart fill. So interactive fill tool is G on mine, which is, I think, default. Mine is F. So and I had this years ago, I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization. And I wouldn't move it off here, but I'm going to go Commands, and I'm going to search under File. Right here, change this to Show All Items. And I'm going to type in Smart. And there's your smart fill tool. Now what I can do is hold down the Control and Alt button and drag it out of the way. Now I have it right there. Now I can say OK, and it'll stay there. But I'm going to dock it like right here. So now every time I want to use the smart fill tool, I can just click on that. You could actually move it from here, but a lot of times you'll lose it. And then if you forgot about it, sometimes you have to, well, you can always turn it back on. But it's a lot easier to do right here. And then if you actually take this and you right click on it and customize and go toolbar item, caption to right of image. So now I have the smart fill tool. So the next time I want the smart fill tool I might not use it in my videos because people won't know that that's a smart fill tool. I like it up there, because if you're over here, you actually have to click. There's three things in this window, and you could put it here. You could put it on the toolbar, but this way there's a lot of uncluttered stuff up here. And because I use the smart fill tool a lot, if y'all have watched enough of my videos, like if I want to make that shape right there, I can just grab the smart fill tool and I've made that shape instead of welding it and doing anything else. But that's why I don't use it during a video, because I want people, if I just hit F, and so I still have it, so I can go F and I got my smart fill tool. And if you hit the space bar, you'll get back to the pick tool, which is anything. If you're doing your zoom and you zoom in and you hit your space bar, you get your pick tool back. If you hit your space bar again, you got your zoom back. So the same thing with the smart fill tool. If we have, let's make a bunch of squares and let's use the smart fill tool. And then I'm going to hit the space bar and I got my pick tool. Hit the space bar again and you got the smart fill. Hit the space bar, get your pick tool, hit the space bar again. So it toggles between your last two tools. I made a video about that probably years ago. Anyway, I hope that answered that person's inquiry and gave you a little insight, and thank you for watching.